To make a good pot of jollof rice, you need this: tomato, onion, big pepper red, and very spicy red pepper. You blend them together and set aside.
Now we're
Okay. Now we'll have to add some oil to the pot. Now look at it. Now the oil to cook for like 3 minutes. That's it. Done the tomato mixture. If you want to add tomato paste, you can add a little. Add a little bit of tomato paste to give both color and taste. Tomato paste. Turn it. Let it harmonize with the blended tomato mixture. Cover and bring to a boil. Now it's boiled, it's cooking. You add other spices, but this is curry and this is thyme. If you like rosemary, you use it. If you like bay leaf, you use it. Then, if you're using meat, this is the time to add your meat sauce. But if you're not using meat, this one is for vegan. The one we're making now is for vegan. No meat, no fish. But if you're using meat or fish, wash and add. Like I said, this is for a vegetarian and for vegetarians. If you're cooking it normally, you must have poured your beef stock or added your fish to the rice. Normally cooks for 40 minutes. Let's see how long this one will take. How far it has gone. Okay, that's good. Now you turn it. See the rice. See the rice. Turn it. And pick one and check. Okay. It's cooked. Just allow the water to dry. Okay. Okay. Let us check the rice. Voila! It's cooked. Can you see the face? The rice is cooked. Okay. Ah, wonderful. Out of this world. Pure, beautiful. This is vegan. No meat. Water here. Pure vegan and very sweet, very tasty. Thank you very much.